What if just a few minutes of stillness could change how you feel for the entire day? Why is it so hard to relax, even when we try? Have you ever noticed that your body can be still, but your mind keeps racing? And what if there's a way to gently quiet that noise without forcing anything? Could relaxation be more than just rest? Could it be a doorway to something deeper within you? These questions may seem simple, but what if the answers could help you reconnect with a calm, peaceful state that has always existed inside you, waiting to be noticed? Today, we're exploring something simple, yet incredibly powerful: relaxation meditation, inspired by the calming and transformative approach often associated with Dr. Weiss. This is not just about closing your eyes and breathing. It's about reconnecting with yourself, your mind, and something deeper that often gets lost in the noise of everyday life. So wherever you are right now, take a moment. You don't need anything special. No perfect setup, just a willingness to pause. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels natural. Allow your body to settle. Let your hands rest gently. And if you feel comfortable, slowly close your eyes. Take a deep breath in slowly and hold it for just a moment, and then gently exhale. Again, breathe in, filling your lungs completely, and exhale, releasing any tension you may be holding. With each breath, allow yourself to arrive in this moment. Not the past, not the future, just here. Notice your body, not to judge it, not to change it, just to observe. Start at the top of your head. Feel any tension there. And as you breathe out, imagine that tension softening, dissolving. Move your awareness down to your forehead. If there's tightness, let it go. Your eyes, your jaw, your neck. Let them relax. There is nothing you need to hold on to right now. As your breath continues slowly and naturally, bring your attention to your shoulders. Many of us carry stress here without even realizing it. So gently let them drop. Let them soften. Feel that relaxation moving down your arms, into your hands, all the way to your fingertips. Now bring your awareness to your chest. Notice your breath, how it rises and falls. No need to control it. Just observe it. With each exhale, imagine your body becoming heavier, more grounded, more at ease. Your stomach, your back, your hips. Let go of any tension you find there. You don't have to fix anything. Just allow it to release. Now your legs, your knees, your feet. Feel them sinking, supported, calm. At this point, your body is beginning to relax, but your mind may still be active. Thoughts may come and go, and that's okay. You don't need to stop your thoughts. You just need to stop following them. Imagine your thoughts as clouds in the sky. They appear, they drift, and they pass. You simply watch. There is a space within you, a quiet space, that is always there beneath the noise. And now we go a little deeper. Imagine yourself in a peaceful place. It could be somewhere real or somewhere your mind creates. Maybe it's a quiet beach. You can hear the gentle sound of waves, feel the warmth of the sun on your skin, the soft breeze moving around you. Or maybe it's a forest. Tall trees, calm air, the sound of leaves, the stillness. Wherever you are, allow yourself to fully experience it. Look around. Notice the details, the colors, the light, the feeling. This place is yours, safe, calm. Now, in this space, imagine a gentle presence. Not something to fear, but something comforting, wise, calm. Some people may see this as a guide. Others may simply feel it as a sense of peace. There's no right or wrong way. Just notice what comes to you. This presence doesn't speak in words, but you may feel something, a sense of reassurance, a quiet understanding, a reminder that you are more than your stress, more than your thoughts, more than your daily worries. You are aware. You are present. You are enough. Take a moment here. Breathe in that calm. And as you exhale, release anything you've been holding on to. Now imagine a soft light beginning to surround you. Gentle, warm, peaceful. This light moves slowly, starting from above your head and flowing down through your body. As it moves, it relaxes everything it touches. Your mind becomes quieter. Your body feels lighter. Any tension, any heaviness simply dissolves into this light. You don't have to force anything. Just allow it. Now you are in a state of deep calm. And in this state, something interesting happens. Your awareness becomes clearer. You begin to feel a subtle connection, not just to your body, but to something deeper within you. Some may call this the soul. Others may call it consciousness. Whatever name you give it, it's a part of you that is always steady, always calm, always present. Even when life feels chaotic, this part of you remains untouched. And by coming into this state, you reconnect with it. Take a few moments here in silence. Now slowly begin to bring your awareness back. Not suddenly, gently. Notice your breath again. The rise and fall. Feel your body where you are sitting or lying. Wiggle your fingers, your toes slowly. And when you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment before moving. Notice how you feel. Maybe lighter. Maybe calmer. Maybe just a little more present. And that's enough. Because relaxation meditation isn't about achieving something perfect. It's about giving yourself space. Space to breathe. Space to reset. Space to reconnect. And the more you practice this, even for a few minutes a day, the more you begin to carry that calm into your everyday life. Stress doesn't disappear, but your relationship with it changes. Your thoughts don't stop, but they lose their control over you. You begin to respond instead of react. And slowly, that inner calm becomes something you can return to anytime. So the next time life feels overwhelming, remember this. You don't need to escape your world. You just need to pause, breathe, and return to yourself. Because that calm, that stillness, that sense of peace has been within you all along.